Alright, this is the walk behind power trowel that I picked up on an auction. I thought I'd put a bid in. 10 bucks. Ended up winning it. After fees, it was like 117. But yeah, when I got it, it wouldn't start. In fact, I thought it was seized. Turned out the cylinder was rusty. So clean that up. This was missing, so I took some carb cleaner, cleaned up the carburetor, and what else did I do to the carburetor? That's about it. Cleaned it up, slapped it back on, and put some fresh fuel in there, and it fired up. So now I'm gonna move on to the next step. I'm gonna change the oil in the motor and the transmission. And kind of a strange observation, that's the cap. It's like supposed to be like a sight cap so you can see the transmission fluid. Well, it's packed with it looks like grease, not really a liquidy fluid. So I've got to look into that, see what's going on with that. That is the drain bolt for the engine oil, and I'm probably just going to put some 5W30 in there. Maybe I'll look it up, but I've got to order some blades. Obviously those blades are no good. Pretty much had the top of this all tore down, cleaned everything, made sure all the springs were in their proper location, and the kill switch is going to have to be replaced. This little wire right here goes to the kill switch, and that's about I believe it's a $50 to $100 part, so that's not too bad. The blades are 100 bucks, and I'm not going to spend that kind of money until I know this thing actually functions, though. It took a minute to figure it out. It wouldn't start with that in that position. As soon as I flipped that over, it fired right up. I mean, oh, I see a little bit of a drip right there coming from the whatchamacallit, the fuel bowl. So I might need to get a gasket for something. This whole contraption right here was only 10 bucks on Amazon. The actual fuel bowl that was missing. So far, that's the only thing I've spent on it so far. I'll put some oil in it, another 10 bucks. I think that's supposed to get like a gear oil down there, so maybe I'll squirt some gear oil in there, just so I know it's got something in there before I fire it up. Didn't see any drain plugs. I know on some models they have a drain plug like right up here and another one down here, but this model doesn't have it for some reason. Kind of weird. Yeah, you can't really see it over on that side yet, but just a little project. Been wanting one of these, and don't really have $3,000 to spend on one right now. You can pick them up $1,300 used, but I figured, you know what, this was going up for auction. I was on vacation, and I thought 10 bucks, put it in there for 10 bucks and see what happens. Nobody bid on it, probably because, well, it's old. They probably know it's gonna have some issues, but I've spent maybe 4 hours cleaning it up, and I'll probably spend another 4 hours changing blades, installing a kill switch, changing the fluid. That's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to go ahead and change the fluid. Like I said, this is how I'm going to put the fluid in, right through that thing right there. I wish I could drain it, because yeah, it would be nice if there was a bolt on the bottom or something, but I'm not seeing anything. But yeah, walk behind power trowel.